nandito tayo sa interview portion. Okay, so baba muna tayo ng energy. Siguro unahin natin tanungin si Verses. Alam ko meron pang missing piece story sa Untalk which we are about to see in just a few minutes. But how is it seeing everything on the big screen and having a live audience react to everything you gave sa season?
Watching myself, honestly, medyo cringe. Pero masaya naman ako for the girls. Pero marami kasing mga parts na, I don't know.
Na-edit.
I don't want to blame it on the edit.
Okay.
Pero kasi they ask us question. Okay, what's your first impression? So, chichika mo lang. Yung first impression